the mighty bird of flame, and I, the hero with the fearless name. On Blazecraft we unite as one, to add some spice and endless fun. Be it survival or fierce PvP, there's something here for you and me. We build great castles, strong and tall, or explore deep forests and answer their call. We conquer mountains, brave the seas. Time here flies with so much ease. I've got my crew, my trusted team, for battles or chasing a farming dream. Adventure calls or chickens to raise, together we thrive in endless ways. Here the fun is always brewing, art and tech blend for what we're pursuing. We craft great builds, true works of art, and gaze at valleys that steal your heart. We're bold